Hello everyone, welcome to the Cmallforhappylife channel. Today we are going to make a 150 cm long pearl necklace. The necklace needs to use two sizes of pearls. The large rice-shaped pearls are 8, 9 cakes, 10, 12 meters, and the small nearly round ones are 5 6 meters. Tie a knot between each pearl. The pearls in this necklace exhibit natural growth patterns. While each individual pearl may not be flawless, their exceptional luster creates a stunning overall effect. I filmed this video today in my backyard in Melbourne, where it's currently winter and quite cold. Despite the chilly weather and the absence of direct sunlight, you can see that the necklace remains beautiful under natural light with a cool color temperature. When purchasing pearls, it's important to prioritize their luster, as it can diminish the visibility of natural growth lines on the surface. Let's begin. We need a 400 cm thread. Fold it in half and put it on the needle so the length of the thread is 204 cm, double layers. Reserve 6 pearls without knotting and tie the first knot after the 6th pearl. This knot should not be close to the 6th pearl. You need to leave a little space to facilitate the knot when the necklace is finally connected. These 6 pearls are reserved for the final link of the necklace. We will tie the knot after the final connection. Continue stringing pearls and knotting them. You can either string one pearl and tie a knot, or string multiple pearls and tie knots one by one. Choose the method you prefer. At the beginning, the process is easier. As the chain grows longer, tying knots becomes more challenging, requiring patience and a slow, steady approach. It's also best to check your work as you go. With a mixed-size necklace, any unnoticed errors will be disheartening to correct later, as it might mean cutting the necklace and starting over. I prefer to string a few pearls before tying each knot. Every time I tie a knot, I check the arrangement to ensure accuracy. Though this method is slower, it is nearly error-free. The pearl necklaces I create must not show any wiring, and each pearl is strung on a single, continuous thread. With patience and care, I strive to make each piece as perfect as possible. Remember to measure the length to ensure it meets your needs before finishing the necklace. Now connect the two ends as demonstrated in the video, and remember to tie a knot between the 6 pearls we set aside earlier. If there is still a lot of thread remaining, you can string a few more pearls and tie a final knot. In the video, I stringed 2 more pearls. Then, trim the excess thread and seal it with a lighter. The 150cm long necklace is strung like this. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me in making more great DIY videos.